My channel. Today, exactly on this video, I'm going to show you the strategy that I use on how to trade the support and resistance level. So just like you can see here on the screen, which has helped me get very good results. I've actually been using this same strategy for quite a long time, and it's turning me a very good positive result. I'm seeing positive results using this strategy, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And at the same time, you're welcome to the family. So in this family, we make trading very simple using simple strategies that you don't need to stress about. So click on that subscribe button in that you won't miss out on any of the new videos that I'll be posting. So let's get into the video. So let's see the power of the support and resistance in the market. So we could mark this point, then we get this. So it doesn't matter if they're slanting or horizontal, provided you get the key point. So we could see the price moving up here, and we are having this upper zone as the resistance. So we can see this, it's the resistance. Then we do have the support down here. We are seeing price has moved up around this region, and it gets bounced back from the resistance level. So it comes back to the support level. The support, it's the base for the prices, so prices are resting around this area. Then at the same time, we could see price getting bounced back to the support level. Then at the same time, we could see the price getting bounced back from the support to the resistance, which is somewhere up here. So this marks our key point, and we have another key point here. Then we could see the behavior that there is an incidence where the price comes back to this level, so it's marking a strong support at this level. So this was a very good one. So now it could be that the price moves up to this level, it either breaks the resistance level and it continues to move up. So that is one of the incidences. So we can see like this, the price breaks and it continues to move up. And once it breaks and it forms a very solid candlestick around here and it closes above, so that could be a sign that the trend is changing. So we are going to enter our long positions around here, knowing that the trend is changing. So we have noticed that the trend is your friend. So all the things that we need to do, all the decisions we are making, it comes with that trend. So we need to follow that trend. So this is one of the incidences. Or either the price could break above, then it comes back to retest this level somewhere here, so then it continues to move up. This is a very good one. At the same time, we could enter our long positions from here, knowing this, after the retest it's going to move up, the trend is changing. Then the second incidence could be the price comes back to this zone, which is the support zone, and it continues and it breaks and continues down. So knowing that a solid candlestick has formed around this area, around this region, so we are knowing that the trend is changing again. So it could happen on either side. It could be a bullish or a bearish. So we need to get the candlestick which has closed below, and we could confirm that. Then at the same time, it could happen this way. We could see it breaks, then it comes back to retest this area before it continues to move down. So once this happens, so we are confirming that we have our short positions, so we can enter our short positions here. So let's see how we could put all this that we have drawn up here onto the real charts and how we can identify the key points. So I'm going to show you how you identify the key points and where you're able to draw your support and resistance. So all we could do, we insert a support level down here. We are seeing, I'm getting these 3 points which are the key points. So I'm seeing a key point around this area. The price is being rejected, it's being pushed away from this area. Then at the same time, we are seeing this area where the cursor is. We are seeing here the price is resting on this area. Then at the same time, this where the price is resting on. So this marks a very strong support level that we are able to see. So we could get a resistance at the same time. So we could get key points around here. So we are seeing that there is a key point here where the price is being pushed away from the resistance level. Then at the same time here, at the same time here. So this marks a very good support and resistance. So we are having our support down here. Then we have our resistance up here, around here. So this is the resistance and support. Then I think we are able to see how the price has been reacting in this region. So we're seeing price has moved up, then price is coming back from this point and at the same time price keeps bouncing around this same region before it breaks out. So it could either break on either sides. So there is the first instance we had talked about. So the price could either move direct up, or we can see clearly that the price has broken, then it has to come back to retest this level here. We can see here the price has come back to test this same resistance area before it took a bullish move up. So that's what we can see clearly. So this is a very good example of this, and you should notice in your mind that the support and the resistance are not only lines, but they are zones. They are zones. So it could be a zone around this area. So this could be a zone, this could be a zone, not only a line. So we should not fix our minds that these are lines. No, they are not lines, they are zones. So I think this was a very good illustration of this. Keep in your mind that you need to identify key points where the prices are resting on, so that you're able to draw these key levels that we are able to identify here on this specific chart. Looking into another example, and how we see this plain chart. So all we needed to do is remember we talked about key points. We need to get the key points where the price has been resting and where we are finding a resistance. So all I could do, I get this around here. So I could have this as a key point. Why? I think we are able to see all this. This is our support. So the price is being supported from this level, and we are seeing we have a key point here, then we have a key point here, we have a key point here, and most importantly, we are seeing rejections around this area. So this was a very good illustration of this. Then at the same time, we could have our support somewhere. So we need to get at least 2 key points for the support area. So we could have this. So when we see this, this marks a very good support area where we're seeing this as a key point, then we're seeing this as a key point. But remember, we said the support and resistance are not just lines, and they are zones, they are key zones. So we need to master how all this can be drawn. So I could insert on this around here. If we take a look at this, so this marks it a very good zone that we are able to see. So that is our resistance level up, and it happens in a way that we see the prices getting moved from down here to this area. So that is our resistance area. Then at the same time, price keeps oscillating around here before it breaks. So the most simple thing with using this strategy is we could wait for a breakout on either side. So that means we wait for the price to break and close above any of the key levels. So we are marking the support and resistance. So basically, using this graph that we're seeing, we're able to see a bullish move up. So that means we're seeing these candles here. The candle right here, we can zoom in a little. So we are seeing the candle right here has closed above the resistance level. So that means we are able to notice that the trend is going to move up, and we earlier on talked about the trend being your friend. So making your entries and making your decisions, it depends on the trend. Once you master the trend and you're able to capture the trend, so that means you're good to go. And we are able to see this candle around here. So if we can zoom in a little, we're seeing that the bullish candle has closed above the resistance area, so which has marked a very good confirmation for this. So we could make our long entries in a bullish market. This is very good. That means earlier on we had talked about 2 different things. So we had said the prices could either move and return back to this same level before it takes a move up. So basically this in this case has not done this. So we are able to see there was only one move that was up. This was a very good one. So basically, when using this strategy, we could set our stop losses around below here, and we could enter around here. That was a very good one. So now we have the last case for a bearish market here. All we have to do is we get our key points. So I'm marking a key point around here. So we are seeing that this marks our key point, this marks another key point, this marks another key point, and this marks another key point. So this was a very good resistance area. We're seeing price is being pushed back away from this level that we have drawn. So we got our level, price is being pushed back away from this level. And at the same time, we need to get key points such that we can have our support level. So by mere look at this, so I can see the key points already. So all we have to do is we get the key points and we mark out them around here. So this is very good in a way that we are seeing that This marks a very good support level. Here, price is being pushed away from here. Price is again being pushed away from here, and then again around this area. Price is being pushed away, so that means we're seeing price is oscillating around this area in this manner. So now it doesn't matter which side it literally breaks, so it could be any side. It could be the upside or the downside, which could be a bearish market. So up, it could be a bullish market. Then it doesn't matter. So all we could do is we wait for the prices to break above any of the levels. So it could be up here, it could be up here, then it continues to move up, and once it breaks up, it could continue to move up. Then at the same time, we are able to see that the price has broken around this area, around this region. So we are seeing this candle has closed below our support level, and this has marked a very good time, knowing that the trend is changing. So we are seeing a bearish market. The bears are in the control of the market. So if we can zoom in a little, and we are able to see this candle, how the candle has formed. This candle has closed, then we're having on a second another bear candle. We're having a bear candle that comes after the closer. Literally, we have different 5 bear candles that are leading, so that means this is a bearish market. So all we could do is we come in, and after getting this and knowing that the price has closed below the support level, so we could make our entries around this region, so making our stop loss somewhere just above the support level around there. So I guess we are able to see how the market has moved down, and these strategies are very simple. So all we need to do is we need to keep our eyes on the charts every time. We need to practice. So these very simple and easy strategies are what I basically use to get these good results that you're able to see on the screen here. So I follow all these principles, and all this has helped me a lot in my journey. And just in case you have not subscribed to the channel, do yourself a big favor and click on that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of the videos that I'll be uploading about this simple strategy. Remember, the aim is to make trading so simple. And if you found the video very impactful to you, down on the comment section below, just type good and let me also know all the different strategies that you want me to make videos about. See you in the next video.